Kenya be ne gore, ne jiwe gore from independence time nyako chopo kama chopo. Dak donyo waonge Kenya. Jomatindo boga aga lweny, to nyaka ng'en lweny nitie kama gikie kama jiwuoye. On my point, kaluwore gi penjo mipenja, adwa nanyisi ni an aneno ni parliament ema dhi felo jo Kenya. And parliament ni ma Jomatindo onego odilgo. To jogi gin ema giyieroga. Ing'e ni sani ki play video kae. Akiano Dhiambo Jacob ni akiani be ni Nyayo Stadium. Kejing'e no bende in the legal fraternity ni upogore. Nitie joma ne president, nitie joma ne Jacob Raila. I don't know where you are, but come play video kae tibro nwango ni everybody took sides. And one side more makoro disappoint you. To nikechango probably you are looking at things maniwa chuno. You did not work with these people in terms of reading and what have you. As much as now you people claim no nejoma you are in the information world, but you didn't work with the information when you are going to support these people. And question ma wawacho, the problem is not the minister. Iwinja makiwacho nukoro nukanyocho yer duale to koro lwenyocho room. Then one intelligence bende konchiel wanyalo yunkara kose duale ne mas sponsor gi. You understand? The intelligence is a very difficult science. Sami wacho ne lweny koro chung okugore meru within the borders muting Isiolo. Is it nigitimore ngane kindiki manja timoge. Intelligence is a very funny science. So that is another good reason. The problem with this country in terms of security is recruitment. Saniki kwa dwa penjere adie nwa dwa loso Kenya. Wadi urukacha wakawa ne jok monde kande. Kichako penjugi story monde gigo. Na gole 1500 anan wuri ngane kangane owadwa ne njalweny, owadwa en police. That has been the system. Mana mumi nyocho poka manyaka jo NGO mafwenye ni maiti nipi. Jo NGO ema donyo mulo maiti which they are not allowed by law. Iwinja Joyce. Inano kutana sani. Pinyi ni pinyi maji osome. If really the government was the government which was in charge, one go jomo timo geospatial science. Nyegi di togigo picha kacha. Nyo by the time mangato donji pikajo songyo gunia ngata nitie. That photograph can tell you even sikamane ngato olinyipi. It has a memory. Konya lofu wenyo ngamano yi kamoro 1957 kada 1912. Ngamanyo thonyoro kata tame na adifwenyo. So the whole system is wrong from the recruitment. The Kenyan civil service is wrong. They are there. Don't want to go special kai. When you pan boundary, some manual boundary with Uganda. Who are the people who went? There are people who have done it here geography. You want to go university kai. The problem with this country, any year are incompetent. They don't want to bring people on board. They don't know that there is something called education. Iwinja. Katako yeri minister. Tokia idonjo nikech always not all ministers are educated. I always tell people nechiemora somo atimo njoki ambu dondora their case and manatimo investigation. That is now what you do. With all of this I don't want to hear. Let's do a survey. To na somo barua moro manga ine nonde kono Matthew Gaimuli. Matthew Gaimuli was the AG. To Matthew Gaimuli was misinformed. To angaine wachone in this one I beg to differ. Loni embaraju Kiambu Dondora Farmers Company Limited. Kwani don't get nowhere from a technocrat point of view. You must omo mind the ministry. Emane is no. What musavei to Loni and Marajogi. Kwalu documents and Marajogi. But lo enango lo en survey is not title. Title is the last process of any land. You understand? Even right now, I testify in court. We have already changed the system even in court. We are telling court, kind law, my family, we want adjudication. Not a title, not a green card. Kind law, master can let us know when you applied it. Those are the procedures. So ministers, that one is a science that you cannot debate about. What we are saying, by the time you are there, these are the weaknesses, Mikelo. Let these people be subjected. Angi makwayo o Jomatindo. Woru wangi inu wangu parliament ma competent too.